Hey, good morning, guys. So today is the day I've been waiting for so long. I'm about to show you guys what's on my camera. And today is the day I've been waiting for. It's March 18, Dyno Day. Let's get this, guys. It's 3:30 a.m. in the morning. And I'm about to head up to the gas station. So I got an appointment at 8 o'clock in the morning. But as you can see, my brother is nowhere to be seen. So you know what that means? My brother's sleeping. So we're gonna wake his ass up. Look at that. What the?
Alright, it's 3:30 in the morning and we're about to head to Kentucky, Louisville. And we'll give you guys a quick cold start real quick. Let's get it. Corona time.
Treated to the car wash it deserves. Details inside now.
Yep.
From Trottle, Airbnb says that
I wonder how much it's gonna be. Oh. Head ass. 4:01 o'clock in the morning. Are you ready?
Hell yeah, I'm ready.
Let's get it. Finally made it to Shell. Park right there in the middle. Look at that gas. 169. First stop, right here. It's 5:30 in the morning. We grab some snacks because there's no fast food's open yet, so we just grabbed some cheddar
We're still
cheese.
about 52 miles away from 15 minutes.
It is kind of cold. I see you're good. What you got going on under your hood? Alright, so tell us what you've done to your car so far, performance-wise.
Alright, for the engine bay, so I got 2 cold air intakes, K&Ns. Then I installed Trottle bottle spacers.
Okay.
And stock, it's a stock engine. And so for exhaust, I got a top speed resonated test pipes.
Okay, I see you.
Then a resonated white pipe, Megan Racing resonated white pipe, and then an agency titanium catback.
Okay, let me see that real quick.
Thick ass booty, you would expect.
Damn, that shit is thick, son. Hit it with the sweeper Z. You know? We just hit a tunnel. We gotta have to hit this right here. Woo! You know what's about to happen, boy? Oh, slow down a little bit. Receive a call from Logan that we gonna have to drop our car off because of the protocol for coronavirus. So I guess we're just gonna drop it off right here and let them take care of it. So apparently we're not gonna be able to take a video of the dynos, the pools, and everything. But I guess we'll give you guys an update in a little bit.
3 hours later.
Take a video of the dyno run. I'll give you guys a clip. It's gonna be right here, right now. Alright, you good? Alright, play map.